When President Duterte attended the inauguration of the Sangley Airport Development Project in Cavite City, he had a white band on his right arm. Malacanang denied it was a medical plaster. Presidential spokesperson Salvador Panelo reiterated Duterte does not hide matters concerning his health. Panelo clarified Duterte wore the white wristband, similar to the one used by former President Joseph Estrada.